YouTube, it's your girl Mavella, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm basically going to be doing a hair extension review. I've never done this before, so if you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like, comment, and share this video. And with that being said, let's go. So basically this wig is a 16-inch wet and wavy 10A mink lace front, 100% unprocessed human hair, and 13 by 6 Swiss 150% density. That's like the perfect description for a wig. Like, what else do you need? 150% density. That's what it got me, because me, I like full wigs, so I really can't wait to see this. All right, let's see. I have a whole scissors with me. So this is the wig. This is the wig, and ooh, you guys, come on, you guys. So this is how it looks in the thingy. It looks like this. It's a lace front wig, remember? Oh my god. You guys, this is, oh my god. First of all, there's no water on this yet. Second of all, it is, look at the baby hairs. Oh my freaking god. You need to zoom into, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You guys are, what? Second of all, you can pack it, like you can pack it in a bun, because it also has lace in the back. Jesus Christ. Me. You guys, look at this. This wig is giving me life. Like, I don't know. First of all, it is very full. It feels good. Look at how my hand is going through the corals. It is not shedding. Oh my god. Okay, so basically I'm going to zoom in right here and see. Let me see that. Oh, look at that, y'all. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. So I'm going to try it on. I know that's what everybody's waiting for, but I'm going to try it on. I'm going to take this off. Yes, I have my hair in cornrows, and I'm going to put this on real quick. Oh, hell yeah. This is the phone.com. Don't mind this. It's definitely going to go off when I'm getting ready. Matter of fact, let me see. Let me put that in. Well, look at this, you guys. Look. Okay, Marvella got the wig. Yeah, Marvella got the wig. You guys, I'm so excited. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys my honest review about this hair. First of all, I love the lace. Like, it's not hard. You know how you buy some wigs and the lace is hard? That's not the case. The lace is so soft. You can see how it bends. Some of them don't really bend that easy, so that's a +1 for me. And the curls popping. The density is exactly what is stated. It has 150% density, like you can tell. Like, look at this. And like the lace, bro, the lace is giving me life. Like, what? Anyways, this wig is amazing. I'm going to install it right now so you guys can see how it looks on me, like when I'm actually going to put it on. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I put it on. So this is how the wig looks like when you comb it out, and I'm loving it because I really like full volume wigs. So I really do like how it looks like. I'm going to put some water on it because you know it is wet and wavy, so I'm trying to see how it's going to look like if I have a little bit of water on it. Alright guys, so this is basically going to be the end of this video. For all of you that will be asking where I get my hair from, I get my hair from King Extensions. If you want to purchase hair like this or any other hair extension, click the link in the description box below. Follow them on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and keep up with me and the amazing hair I'm going to be wearing from King Extension because they're the best, period. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Follow my social media platforms, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.